welcome to Dartmouth's West End. Behind me, we are standing in front of our Irving Institute for Energy and Society, which is the center of anything sustainability related, as well as the bridge between our Tuck School of Business and our Thayer School of Engineering. So as an engineering student, you definitely must be spending a whole lot of time here on the west end of campus, which serves as a center for everything innovative and entrepreneurial here at Dartmouth. This is our Engineering and Computer Sciences Center, and it is also our newest building associated with our Thayer School of Engineering. As either an engineering student or a computer science student, you will find yourself spending a lot of time in this building, whether that be for classes, for labs, or for extracurriculars. It is also home to our design initiative, as well as a variety of faculty-led labs, ranging from biotechnology labs, robotics labs, or material science labs. Behind me is our grand staircase, which is another great venue for gatherings as well as events here in Thayer. So we are now standing in our Couch Lab, which is a very collaborative space here in our Thayer School of Engineering. We have a very heavy emphasis on teamwork and project building here in Thayer, and this is a space where students will meet with their project groups for design-based classes. It is also open 24 hours, so students can come and just do any kind of work they need to for any other classes as well. This is our second Couch Lab. This is another space for students to use when it comes to working with their groups on any of their projects. In this room, we have movable tables, which come in handy when it comes to end-of-term project demonstrations and competitions, as well as whiteboards and cubbies for students to store their materials. This is our Thayer Instrument Room. This is a space where you can check out any tools or instruments you might need when it comes to testing or working on any projects. Behind me is our instrument catalog, where you can scroll through to find whatever you might need. And the staff here is also an incredible resource when it comes to working on any projects in this space. We're now standing in our CAD Lab. This is a space where students will come to do any CAD modeling they need as a preliminary step for their later products. These designs can be sent to our M shop to be created into actual physical products, and all the computers in this room have SolidWorks installed on them for students to use in their free time as well as for academic reasons. This is our Thayer School of Engineering M shop. This is a space where students will come to physically build their projects. All the machines in here are available to use, and the technical instructors here will teach you how to use the machines even if you have no skill whatsoever when it comes to using these machines. Some of the machines that are featured in this space are lathes, mills, plasma cutter, as well as welding tools. We also have a 3D printing lab and a laser cutting room that can be used by students as well. Along with the M shop, this is an additional makerspace for students to use when it comes to designing and building their projects. We have a variety of tools as well as many sewing machines for students to utilize when it comes to enhancing whatever they might be working on. We are now standing in our electronics project lab. This is a space where students will design, build, and test circuits, whether that be for classes or individual projects. There's also a full-time engineer on staff to help students with anything they are working on. This is our Allen Large Frame Lab, a special space where students will come to work on larger projects. This includes our Dartmouth Formula Racing team, which will spend the entire year designing and building a hybrid or electric race car, which they then enter into the Formula Hybrid and Electric competition, which takes place annually each spring. This is our Great Hall. This is once again another collaborative space that we have here in our Thayer School of Engineering. Students will spend time sitting here working on group projects, as well as using the space just to study or work on any individual assignments they might have as well. This is a typical classroom for engineering students. We have a 7-to-1 student to faculty ratio, so classes will be on the smaller side. This definitely allows for faculty to be very accessible, as well as for students to work with one another in a very close environment. At Dartmouth, engineering students will have their own career services office, which is an incredible resource for them to use while they are students here, as well as when they are alumni. It's a great resource to go to when it comes to finding jobs, finding internships, needing help writing cover letters, resumes, anything that helps them further their opportunities while they are a student or beyond. Here at Dartmouth, we have a lot of encouragement and support when it comes to entrepreneurship. We are now standing in our Magazine Center for Entrepreneurship, which is a space that provides both education as well as resources for engineering students to take their designs and innovations to the market. The best way to experience Dartmouth engineering is to come see it for yourself. Visit engineering.dartmouth.edu to see our schedule of information sessions, tours, and other admissions events. Don't hesitate to contact us with any questions, and we look forward to seeing you soon.